All right, let's find the greatest common factor of these two expressions. The first thing we can think of is what are the factors? What are the factors that they have in common? And then taking the most of those common factors that we can. So, for example, the 18, we can see it as a 2 times 9 so that we can see that it has that 9 in common with the 9w y to the power 6, right? And then we've got that x to the power 3. That doesn't have anything in common with our second expression. We do, however, have a certain amount of w's, right? So in the top, we have 7 w's, and in the bottom, we have 1. So if we think of breaking one off and having the other 6 represented here, and then we have y that is in common with the factors of our second expression, but there's more y's in the second expression. So let's look at the second expression. We've got 9 in common with the top, no x's. We've got a w here. And then we can break our y's apart. We've got 6 of them, so we can have y squared times y to the power 4. And from breaking apart our factors here, we can now start to see and collect what is in common and discuss that the way we've broken it up here, we've already shown the greatest we can take. So in terms of the W's, we can only take one W because that's the most that is in common between these two. And in the Y's, we can take 2 Y's because at most that's what's in common between these two. So the greatest common factor, the value you could factor out of each of these in common would be the 9w y squared.